What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Today it's a good day. You guys get me while I'm driving to work, but good things happened. We joined the YouTube partner program, so that only took about a year and a half or so, but we did it. So I just want to thank all of you guys for watching my videos, for commenting on all the videos and shorts and everything, just interacting with me on a daily basis. Much appreciated. That's awesome. So with that, we're also opening up some new perks and stuff on the channel. So we do have some options right now for membership levels. So we opened up 3 membership levels on the channel. That's going to include custom emojis, custom badges. You guys are going to get perks for the channel. I'll have members only shorts. I'll drop some members only videos. And for all of you like ultra supportive people that joined the 3rd tier membership level, all my apparel, Rollin' Reckless, I'm going to give you guys a 25% discount code for that to use on anything you want at any time, straight from the website. Definitely check out the website for it, see what you guys like on there, what's on there and stuff. It'll be ROLLINRECKLEZZ.co, rollinreckless.co. So definitely check that out, find some stuff on there you guys like. I will be dropping codes for you guys on members only shorts and stuff like that for you guys to get some stuff like that. I also will be doing exclusive early drops and stuff for any of the members that are on there. But like I said, I appreciate you guys sticking with me the last year and a half, 2 years or so. We've got a ton of stuff in store this year for the channel. So show season just kicked back up and we're going to tons of shows. We've got Frostbite coming up in a week. We've got Terminal Takeover coming up. We've got C10 Resurrection coming up. We've got Mini Truckin' Nationals coming up. It is non-stop, like every 2 weeks or so. We're gonna have shows, and so at that shows I'm gonna be dropping multiple videos from each shows. So we're gonna do a behind the scenes vendor POV type setup and how it went as a vendor at the shows. I'm also going to do a recap of the show from a spectator point of view so you guys can see all the awesome rides and event as a whole. And then I'm also going to walk around and find some of my favorite rides and favorite people at the events, and we're just going to do short little like 3 to 5 minute little segments of specifically their car. Because one thing I always get asked is, hey, can you show more of this truck or more of that car? Because I only showed it for 10 seconds in a recap video. So I'm gonna try and get some of these trucks and just like fully show them interior, exterior, engine bays, talk to the owners about them so they can explain the stories behind them. So we'll start getting a lot of content out from that. So every show that we go to, expect a lot of videos now to come from each show. So it's gonna be awesome. I'm excited about it. Thank you guys for joining me on the journey. And yeah, let's get it, 2025.